All right, folks, it's me again, your favorite realtor, Shannon Wyatt with Focus Real Estate. Welcome to this amazing new listing right here in the heart of Steinhatchee, Florida. Take a look.
Looking for a home, she was chasing a lifestyle. And Mr. Shannon Wyatt Jr. said, let me show you the one that'll change everything. Now she's not counting scallops, she's counting sunsets from her two-story deck. This is Steinhatchee.
Hey Jay, welcome inside, man. What do you think? This is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath, basically mansion right here in Steinhatchee. The only one you're gonna find just like this one. And oh, by the way, don't worry about all that. That's just your potential scallop season rental. Yeah, this house makes bank. Wouldn't you love to own it?
Told her wait till you see this one. 4 beds, 3 baths, and so much fun. She said, is that a dock with lights? I said, baby, it sparkles at night, with the view that hits just right, and a deck built for Florida life. Carpet ceilings, fireplaces glowing, tile floors shining, the Gulf breeze blowing. And I know one thing's for sure, she got a house like scallop money. Stained glass palace, dockside sunny, chef-style kitchen where the wine pours runny. Porch swing days and the deck gets honey. Got her dream life, honey. She's everything you need and she got everything she wants. Shucking shells till the tide is gone. Shannon sealed it up, now she's scallop money strong. Yeah, that's all life, scallop money.
Well, Jay, I think this is it, man. Why dream of living in Steinhatchee when you can live here? Be sure to call me, your favorite realtor, Shannon Wyatt Jr., Focus Real Estate, 850-973-7890, and let me make your dreams become reality.